This is the outline of the course. Our approach is to focus on application, how you would use econometrics to conduct quantitative research and the issues that arise when analyzing data. We cover theory to help you understand the rationale behind the methods. Understanding the why will help you remember the how more easily. Broadly, we'll examine all 4 types of data that you may encounter and the methods that you can use to analyze them. We'll begin with models for cross-sectional data, which involves observing many entities at a point in time. We'll cover how to estimate a regression model, interpret the results, understand the necessary assumptions, perform hypothesis testing, and assess the model. We'll also explore the different forms that the model can take. Then we'll address problems that you may encounter in practice that may undermine the results, such as misspecification, omitted variables, heteroscedasticity, measurement error, missing data, and outliers. For some, there are solutions. For others, you'll need to use different data or more advanced methods. Next, we'll introduce you to models for time series data, which involves observing one entity over time. We'll cover the different forms that the model can take, how to assess it, and the conditions necessary for us to rely on it. Finally, we'll turn to models for data that combine cross-sectional and time series dimensions. For pooled cross-sectional data, which consists of multiple cross-sections at different points in time, we'll cover common specifications and the difference in differences model. For panel data, which involves observing the same entities over time, we'll explore models such as first difference and fixed effects. You'll discover that these models can carry out more powerful analyses. After all this, hopefully, you'll gain a better understanding of what models can and can't do. There are some questions that can't be answered, and knowing this is as important as understanding what is achievable. We'll have many quizzes throughout the course. The best way to test your understanding is to see if you can apply it. After you've had a go, you'll receive immediate feedback on how you did. You may already know a bit about statistics or have taken our Foundations of Statistics course. In that course, we covered simple regressions and statistical inference. This being the next level course, we'll delve deeper into these topics and introduce new methods for analyzing data. You'll find that many concepts are similar. Since econometrics, and statistics in general, may take some time to fully grasp, it's also helpful to review the concepts multiple times. This course isn't focused on math. We could have a course where we prove math theorems, and you learn those proofs. This isn't that course. We'll be using very little math, and we'll be using basic math. You mainly need to know algebra to follow along. So if you don't know much math or if you're not a fan of math, don't worry. Instead, we emphasize intuition. You'll find that econometrics isn't just a methodology, it's a way of thinking about problems, evaluating data, and addressing questions in a critical scientific manner. We can't possibly cover everything in econometrics. Since this is an introductory course, we focus on the foundations. However, foundational concepts are often more important and useful. They lay the groundwork for further studies in econometrics. We're here to help if you need it.